In this tutorial, I would like to talk about footing reinforcement by components. Click on Concrete, Footing, Pad Footing, and click to create. Open Applications and Components. Click Applications and Components, or by Ctrl F on keyboard. Concrete, Cast in Place, Foundation Structures. Pad Footing Reinforcement 77, or you can write here 77 Pad Footing Reinforcement, or write Pad Footing Reinforcement. Click and pick the footing. Close, press Escape, Ctrl R, the middle, this footing and the reinforcement. Double click to modify. Picture 25, the cover 25, 50. You can change. Lacer bar, primary bar, secondary bar, and zone length 1, 2, and 3. You can add zones. Zone 1, for example, spacing 200, zone 2 100, and zone 3 200. Okay, you can add. Primary bar arrangement 1 zone, the same spacing for all. Zone 1 undefined, size 16. You can change undefined or T460, for example. 20 main bar, apply, OK, and the radius 70, and click modify, select, modify. OK, the green bars, left and straight, hooks 90, 135, for example. Click modify. Okay, the same options, 180, 90, or straight. The same for right end. Left band length and right. This length. Okay, you can change. Default. What is the default? 50, 25. Okay, 75, so 425. Or you can change, select 300, 300, modify. Okay, or 425, modify, or default, not 0, select, modify. Creation method, spacing 200, or number of bars. Spacing, for example, will be 300. Select, modify, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bars, or number of bars will be 10. Select, modify. Okay, very simple. 200, modify. Bar direction, parallel with longer dimension, with this dimension 2500, or shorter dimension, modify. You can change. And you can change the shape to this shape, for example. Secondary bar, the same options. Size radius, all left and right, and the spacing you can change these bars. Okay, you can change, for example, the radius and the diameter to 20. Modify. Okay, spacing 200. Laser bar, these bars. Okay, 1 2, and see here. Okay, laser bar. Undefined size 8, spacing 200, star 100 and 300. Okay, and the star and the star. You can change or you can remove. No laser bars. Select, modify. So now no laser bars. Finally, attributes. Zone 1, prefix you can add, star number for numbering, name bottom bar, class 3 and 13. Okay, for zone 1 and secondary bars and zone 1 and primary bars. You can change, for example, to 5 and 9. Select, modify. Okay, and bottom bar for all. Modify. Okay.